Hey, take a look at the flags here on the bridge as we take a look at downtown Sharon. They are pointing out of the north, at least the wind's blowing out of the north, pointing the flags off to the south. Now, that means the cold front's through Sharon, and where that cold front's dropped through, temperatures are falling fast, down to 32 at the airport, north wind at 14 miles per hour, and the wind will be a story as we get into tomorrow night. I'm going to talk about that coming up. Here's a look at temperatures where you live now. High temperatures today were shortly after midnight, almost 24 hours ago, and then climbing back into the 40s this afternoon. Now we're back in the 30s. We're going to dip into the 20s to get tomorrow morning started, but then a nice warm up on the way by afternoon as we climb back to the middle 50s. Here you go. The clouds moving across Trumbull and Mercer counties, but off to the south in Columbiana County, still some holes in those clouds and clear skies for a while. The next storm's moving in, and it's going to bring plenty of clouds, already trying to form a little bit of precipitation out over northwestern Ohio. Now, tonight, there's a small chance, a very tiny chance of a wintry mix. That means a snowflake or two, a few sprinkles, or even an isolated pocket of freezing rain. The heavier precipitation holds off until late tomorrow into tomorrow night. That's this storm system I'm pointing out here across Iowa, Wisconsin, and Illinois. It's just getting going, and it'll wind up and move through. And as this thing wraps up, it's going to start packing a punch in the wind department as we go into tomorrow night. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour right into Wednesday morning. So let's go hour by hour through the rest of tonight. Again, that tiny chance of a wintry mix. Tomorrow morning, temperatures starting out in the mid to upper 20s. And then get ready. We'll see a peak or two of sun, but more clouds. How about near 50 by noon? Still dry. Into the afternoon, temperatures climbing into the middle 50s and some spots even trying to get into the upper 50s later tomorrow afternoon as that wind brings in those warmer temperatures. Here comes the rain, 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now, the rain doesn't look as heavy as it did a little earlier today, around 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch of rainfall, and then it mixes over to snow as we go into midnight tomorrow night, and then overnight on and off blustery weather and also snow showers adding up to 2 inches as we go into Wednesday morning. This snow sweeps out of here, but it stays cold and blustery as we go through the day on Wednesday. The snow showers move out, but only for a day or so. As we go into Thursday, another batch of snow moving in on these parade of storms that we're going to have to deal with this week. 27 tonight, partly or mostly cloudy skies. Again, that tiny chance of a wintry mix. Tomorrow, temperatures in the middle 50s. A mild day out there, becoming gusty in the wind as we go into the afternoon. The rain develops toward tomorrow evening. Rain changes over to snow tomorrow night, up to 2 inches by Wednesday morning. Staying windy on Wednesday, highs in the upper 20s. Wednesday night into Thursday, temperatures falling into the mid-teens. That should be the coldest of the next 7 days. Thursday, the next batch of snow moves in late day into Thursday night. Could see 2 or 3 inches out of that storm system. Then we dry out Friday. The next storm moves in on Saturday. That's going to lay down another coating of snow, and then they're gone. Temperatures start warming up late weekend near 40, 50 on Monday, more than likely into the 60s by next Tuesday.